Hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to skip the intro. I'm nervous about this, okay? This has been 2 years in the making. And I'm still uncertain because all this wiring was done ourselves. Even though it should work, it's a little sketchy. I agree. But everything else is hooked up to fire it up. And, well, I'm not usually one to get shaky when I'm nervous, but this is a little bit nerve-wracking. So, I'm going to tighten the battery up, and hopefully, we're going to get something out of this. Okay, it says we have 6 volts, however, this battery has started my truck before, so let's see what... Oh... So I want to see if it's going to turn over. We need to... I'm going to let that pressurize real quick. That's the fuel pump going. I'm going to shut the car off because I want to make sure that the one... Oh, geez. Yep, we're going to have to redo that real quick before we get going any further, because I'm not going to start this with that, like that. So, I'm going to do that off camera, because it's kind of a task. I will get back to this in a moment. So, I'll fill you in on what's going on. It's late, well, it's starting to get late. I need to take the fuel rail off the car so I can redo one of the hoses. Is kind of bound to happen, but it's going back into the garage for the night. It will be tomorrow morning, and I'll start to work on it again if the weather's good. So, fast forward tomorrow, let's get started. Alright, so today is the next day, and I've already pressurized the fuel system. Everything looks pretty good. Nothing looks like it's leaking. This is the moment of truth. So I'm going to end the video off there. But first, I want to say that if you're looking for a place to spice up your engine bay on Datsun specifically, or looking for plug-and-play Mega Squirt kits for your Datsuns, check out Godzilla Raceworks. I will link them in the description below. No, this is not sponsored, but I do believe they make a great product, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm glad to have the Datsun running. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Smoke tires, not plants. Have a great day. Drop a like and drop a comment.